just. And I'm bad like the Barbie. Long time. I leave my hair like this. Is it gonna color correct the entire time? Do we like this? I'm gonna play music, but I have to be out of here in the next 20 minutes. Yesterday I told my mom that I want to go to a Sabrina concert, and she was like, the only Sabrina I know is a witch. And I was like, then I remembered, is it The Secret Life of Sabrina? Or is it Sabrina the Witch? Should I not? I think I will. What is happening?
You go.
Okay, I was saying, she had a few videos of Sabrina, and she was like, people are gonna be mad, that's not what they pay for. I was like, but it's vibes. I'm going out for coffee with a friend to catch up. Should I leave my hair like this? What is that? Let me just, or should I leave it like this? I have no idea. It's not that cold. But I am gonna wear my jacket. Because why would I leave it? What is happening? Listen, you don't know, I don't know, nobody knows. I think I'm gonna because my nails are very plain. I do my nail polish in the car. I'm gonna try. And if I get there and it doesn't look decent, then I will just take it off. I'm gonna take this, because why not? And then this in case it doesn't go as planned. Nah. What am I gonna do with this hair? What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? Black or brown? Black or brown? Wait, black or brown? Let me show you the whole fit.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm an adult, but I still wanna party. Pink feel like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in again.
It doesn't make sense. Should I just leave it? Ooh. Ooh. Wait. Ouch. Ouch.
I'm gonna stay now, like I'm ready to bend.
Okay. You're confused, I'm confused. 10 little letters on big sign. Justin Bieber. You know, I'ma hit it with the either guns up, wiener. But I gotta keep an eye for Selena. See, okay. That's okay. Let me show you the fit now. Is this better? This? Okay, so black bag. My shoes have like brown. Can you see that? I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you. Cause I'm not sure I like this. It's time to go. It's my spoon. I think I lost my spoon. Is that mine?
It's mine. I love that chick. She's fine.
It's too small.
I didn't know you were recording. I was about to gossip. What do you want to eat? Is this edible?
Really, I think it was like jelly. Just like this.
Have it?
Like strawberry flavor.
It smells like strawberry.
Strawberry. Do you know the baby?
Hmm?
Do you know the baby that says strawberry? A straw baby. The long thing.
The last day. Cut the camera. End the conversation. It's like they're not from
I think they are.
My guy, this is not New York. You shouldn't be walking like it's so safe here. A nickname? T. Yeah, T. T. Oh, they say rolling. I said fucking.
If you had orange, at the stadium it's nice and you don't know the game. It's like vibes. Yeah. Please invite me to every brand. I don't feel like I know the whole movie before it even like. That's what happens when you order things that are cheap.
Five minutes before I started this, everything was just falling apart. Like something doesn't look right. I'm currently reading this one. Put it back. I like it. There's no music in my room because put it back for you guys. Oh, we're done. Lighting is so bad, I'm not gonna lie. Anyways, the other day my room was a mess. It's still a mess right now, but it's not as bad as it looked the other day. So I was using it as a stand. And I was wearing these pants, but not anymore. So I'm just gonna put them away. It's not making sense. Anyways, I've changed the structure of my room so many times. I got my little book collection there. Wow. I put the bed by the wall, squashed it there, so it can be aligned to the TV. Now what's going on here? So, yeah. I don't know, I just think change. If it's been in the same position for like more than 6 months. Let me show you. I put the bed by the wall so it could be aligned to the TV, right? So I could watch TV and not have to bend my neck. Okay. And the frame art, there's no way I'm moving it. It took so much time to put it there. I'm not moving it ever. I put like little Polaroids there to fill in the space. Can I zoom this? That's me and my mom. That's me and my friends. And then I have like some more Polaroids here. Hi. That's me, and that's me. These are my old glasses. These are roses from my brother that he got. No, these are roses from, I don't remember. This is a little teddy bear I got from my brother. That's the light. And these are more Polaroids. And then I've got like more pictures here for my friends. Cute. Oh, I have 3 more here. I have like 3 more of my friends, and I have more in that, whatever that thing is. And these are my books. These are my babies. Yeah. And this is my side table.